Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these swimming goggles. Handle with care, upward, afraid of wet, fear the sun. Build your unique style with our virtual shopping. Okay. Pretty nice packaging here. These have their own little case. This is pretty sweet. Let's see, how does this open up here? Right like that. That's cool. And it has different bridges, like extras there. Wow. Almost can't even tell the glass is there. Look at that. Nice rubber strap there. Looks like this is nice and adjustable. Click those in, and then to pull it back the other way, you press this down, I believe, and that lets it go in that way, I think. Let's see if I pull that out. Yeah. You just lift that up and pull it out the other way. That's super, and then just pull that if you need to tighten it that way. So that's super customizable on the length there. That's nice. Easy to work with. So it's just that little tab right there. And if you want to pull it back the other way, you just press that down. Allows it to go both ways there. All right, let's try these on here. Nice like rubber around the eye portion here. Seems like super soft. Let's see how it goes on here. I might need to adjust that a little bit. Oh no, looks like it's going to fit pretty good actually. Oh wow. That makes a nice suction on the eyes there. So definitely no water's going to be getting in there. It's actually pretty comfortable. Boy, that is snug. My goodness, it makes like a suction on your eyes there. I'll have to take this, actually do a little demonstration with the swimming there, but these look like would allow you to see really well. I prefer myself the actual goggle or face mask because every time I try to swim without plugging my nose, I just get water in my nose. So that's makes it kind of difficult, but these are definitely nice. We'll have to take them to the river here and test them out. So as far as like comfort wise, adjustability, all that stuff, super nice. I like the case this side came in. A lot of cool things there. So let's see here. All right, well, like I said, we'll have to go test them out, and we'll take you to the river with us and see what we think about them. Hey friends, well, unfortunately I was unable to get to a place where I could test these out like swimming. Started to get a little cold, had some wildfires around us and can't really get to the river easily. So anyways, you could tell that these, well, I could tell these have a really good suction. They fit like perfectly on your eyes, and you could feel like they almost just sit there just like that, like it sucks onto your face. So I know there's no water going to be getting in there if no air can get in there. It also has these little extra things here just in case this breaks, so you have extra little nose portions there. The adjustment on this is crazy easy. You just pull it tight with that, and also when you want to just lift that up and adjust the other way. Super easy to do, nothing difficult about that. As far as the adjustment, it's really nice. Super lightweight. This thing maybe weighs, I don't know, half a pound, if that. It's just a few ounces at best. Yeah, I think it's about this like really nice quality. I like how it splits in the back here. Doesn't really pull your hair or anything like that. And really quite small, so it just barely covers your eyes, and that's pretty much it. So minimal drag or anything if you were like trying to swim fast or whatever. Like the case that it comes in, like I said before, it's everything's really nicely done on this. It comes in multiple colors and things like that. So yeah, unfortunately I wish I could have tried this out, but I was unable to do so. So Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.